All right, everybody, good morning and happy, well, not so happy Monday. Well, couldn't really trade today because everything is down thanks to Amazon AWS servers. So it's a damn shame. It really is a shame because you come in today and I had a lot of good stuff out there I was watching, and we had some pretty big moves on GSIT. Look at this. This thing ran from 750s all the way to 17 bucks. I had a full game plan for this out of market open today, and I was going to take this at 750, and then everything went down. I just couldn't even load any of my charts. My time frames were not aligned, and I was like, all right, this is just a mess. So this made a nice move. ANRO made a crazy move, and I missed both of them because of the downs, the outages across the board. And so it just is a damn shame, man. It's such a shame. And so you come in today, and everything looks sort of fine in pre-market. I think the stress at market open might have put a damper on things. But so AWS down this morning. Except for a major outage early Monday, it's the leading cloud provider of infrastructure technology, accounting for a third of the market. And by 6:35 a.m. Eastern time, the issue had been fully mitigated, but it would take more time, of course, to get back fully operational, to make a full recovery. And so, dude, I come in today, and again, I see stuff like this. Look at this. My time frames are all showing different prices. I look over here on the hourly, I see 348 here. You look up here, I have nothing on the 3-minute time frame. Now I've got 348, 348, 344. What am I looking at here? So nothing's even moving. The tape is not even moving. My time in sales, look at this. My time in sales is not moving whatsoever, and so it's just a mess. It's a complete mess. Complete disaster. So I sat here all morning waiting to see if it'd come back online. Of course it wasn't. And the other issue too is you think it comes back for a second and then it doesn't. So then it's like, I don't want to go take a trade whenever I think it's back, because then what if it goes down again? Then I have a hard time getting filled on the exit. And so it's just a disaster, man. Really a disaster. So it was not a great day of trading today. Not a great day to trade, even if you were on a platform that was working, because you just never know. Are you going to be affected next? And then, of course, you got to figure the lack of volume in the markets too. Because of it, again, you have Robinhood down, Webull down, Fidelity having issues, Interactive Brokers having issues, just a lot of large platforms having issues. And so today just wasn't a great day to trade. Unfortunately, again, we look back at GSIT. We can look back at it, break it down. There were some awesome opportunities, for example, on this ANRO today. This 1-minute pullback right here was gorgeous. I really wanted to take that this morning, but guess what? I could not. I was watching it, though, on stream this morning, because I sat on stream all morning today. I waited. I was hopeful that it would come back. And, of course, GSIT, too. Both right here and down here. I would have loved to have been a part of this. Would have been an awesome day, but hey, it is what it is. So today was just one of those days. And again, what I would say, though, is as we go into tomorrow, we have a lot of momentum out there in the markets today. Things look hot on GSIT and RO, and that should carry over to tomorrow as people are frustrated, filled with FOMO, and trying to come in tomorrow, making up for lost time, lost opportunity. So that being said, it should be a pretty big day tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Today wasn't the day to do it, but hopefully you were smart today and sat on the sidelines as you needed to. But that being said, tomorrow we'll come in, we'll crush it to start the week. It's a lot of good stuff out there. Market's definitely hot, so I'm looking forward to coming in, crushing it tomorrow. But that being said, make sure to claim your 7-day free trial to watch me trade stocks every day, just like these, and all in real time, and get alerts, education, scanners, everything else. And that being said, that link is down in the description below. I'll see you guys there for hopefully a day of proper trading tomorrow. Have a good one, guys. Be smart.